Hey everyone! Today I'm taking a quick look at the Samsung Neo QLED QN80H and asking the big question, is it actually worth your money? So, right out of the box, this TV looks premium. Super thin bezels, clean design, and it fits nicely in a modern living room without screaming for attention. But the real story is the picture quality. Thanks to Samsung's Neo QLED tech, brightness is seriously impressive. If you've got a bright room, this thing handles it like a champ. Colors are punchy, HDR content pops, and the contrast is better than I expected for an LED-based panel. Gaming is another strong point here. You get low input lag, smooth motion, and HDMI 2.1 support, so next-gen consoles feel right at home. That said, it's not perfect. Black levels still don't quite match OLED, especially in dark scenes, and the price might feel a bit steep depending on deals in your area. Overall, though, the QN80H feels like a solid all-rounder. If you want brightness, gaming performance, and a premium feel without going OLED, this one's definitely worth considering.